We've all got a light to shine, and this is how I'm shining mine.
Get ready, I can see.
Welcome back to another video. I am so excited for this package that just arrived today. So I'm pretty sure if you guys have been following me for any amount of time, you will know that I am obsessed with coffee. I really just enjoy the whole process of making coffee. I like the smells, I like the texture, I like the boldness, the different flavors that you can taste from the beans, and like, oh my goodness, I'm a little bit obsessed. It's probably a little bit of a problem, but we'll deal with that another time. But anyways, I have never owned a coffee machine before. I make all my coffee with like the Chemex filter. And over the past couple months, I'm getting a little tired of making filtered coffee. It's just becoming a thing, and I'm getting a little tired of it. So Morgan and I just bit the bullet and we bought an espresso, however you pronounce it, coffee machine. Excuse me. So this video is just going to be all about me unboxing this bad boy and hooking it up, figuring out how to use it, and making a nice cup of coffee. So hope you enjoyed the video. Grab yourself a cup of coffee and we can do this thing together. Alright, let's go. So don't mind the music that you hear in the background. There's some construction happening in the apartment below us, and those workers really like jamming out to their Spanish music. Nothing wrong with that though, love Spanish music, but it just gets a little bit annoying sometimes when they start work at 8 a.m. Anyways, so the machine that we got is a Breville machine. Did some research. These guys are pretty good. We didn't really want to splurge too much on something really big and fancy. We also don't have that much counter space, so we had to find something that did the job but wasn't super space consuming. If that's a word, who knows. So we got the Bambino, and I will show you what it looks like. Oh, that's what it looks like. So I'm trying to figure out where we're gonna put it. It's either gonna be somewhere over there, or maybe it's most likely gonna go up here. So we're gonna unbox this thing and then see how it works. I've never used an espresso machine before, and I'm very excited about this. It's gonna be a new adventure. This is a new time in my life. This is a new experience, and I'm so excited that you get to share this beautiful moment with us together as a family, as one. Anyways, okay, let's get this going. Alright, so I just cleaned out the water, like I did the first cycle of water that's supposed to go through the machine. And now I think what I have to do is I need use the 1 cup filter basket when brewing a single cup. Where's the filter basket? Oh, I think that's the little that thing. The 1 cup filter basket, or the, is this 2 cup? 1 cup? I really don't know. And provide that, blah, blah, blah. Grind. When grinding coffee beans, the grind size should be fine, but not too fine. I have a grinder. I'm going to have to pull that out and grind that properly. If the grind is too fine, looks like powder, the water will not flow properly and your espresso will be bitter. If the grind is too coarse. Okay, so not too coarse, not too fine, just right. We're going to do that. And then you insert the filter basket into the portafilter. Oh, this is a portafilter. There's a filter basket over there. Alright, okay. Portafilter. Tap the portafilter several times. Ah, okay. I'm obviously new at this. I definitely almost thought that I was gonna explode this thing, but I think it turned out okay. Just did this coffee. I think I have too much milk in here, so I'm gonna make another shot and then add it to it, and we're gonna see if that kind of makes it more look like coffee instead of like milk and whatever this is. I'm not gonna try it yet, so I'm gonna make one more shot and we'll see if that helps.
5 minutes later.
Alright, moment of truth. This is practically a latte. Let's see. It's okay. It's not the strongest. I think I'm gonna have to work at making the grinds a little finer. They might have been a little too coarse, but honestly, for my first attempt at making an espresso shot with a new machine that I've never used before, never even owned a machine, I think this actually is pretty good. Just hits different than filtered coffee, that is for sure. Not saying that I don't love this baby of mine, but it's nice to add another coffee utility tool to the family. So that is my video today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm gonna walk over here because it's a little bit loud. Come into my room. Like I was saying, have a wonderful day. Don't forget to keep shining your lights, and we will see you again next time on another episode of This Little Light.
Yeah.
Good one.
I'm on my way now.